So, good morning, everyone. The title that I choose is What Can We Do to Save Mother Earth? So, in recent years, we've seen nature cry out for help. Wildfire, floods, and extreme weather patterns become more frequent, signaling that the Earth is under pressure. The good news, we can still make a difference. Here are a few actionable steps. First is reduce, reuse, recycle. That is the golden rule. Reducing waste, reusing products, and recycling materials cut down on the pollution and save resources. Second is conserve energy. Simple action like turn off the lights when not in use. Using efficiency appliances and considering a renewable energy source can lower our carbon footprint. So the third is support sustainable practice. Buy local, organic food and support business that practices sustainability. Every purchase is a vote for the kind of world you want. So the fourth is limit plastic use. Plastic pollution is one of the biggest threats in our ocean and wildlife. Up for reusable bags, bottles, and containers. So fifth is plant trees. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Participating and donating to tree planting programs can help restore forests. Six is advocate and educate. Speak out for environmental policies and spread awareness about the importance of taking care of our planet. So that is the sixth step. It is up to us to make conscious decision every day to preserve our earth for future generations. Every small action counts, so let's start now.